Hello. Um, Kumusta kayo? Sana'y hindi kayo nagtataka kung bakit hindi na ako ganoon masyadong nagpo-post ng mga videos ko dahil nga sa aking health issues. But anyway, naisipan kong magkaroon ng isang clip na ganito at i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung aking nararamdaman. Bagong lahat, sana maging okay kayong lahat kung nasaan man kayong panig ng mundo. At kung napapansin yung iba-iba ang content ko, tama po kayo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun magulo. Ibig sabihin nun totoo. So, alam mo or alam po ninyo, minsan napapaisip ako. Hindi naman kayo nagtatanong pero gusto ko lang i-share. Bakit iba-iba ang content ko? Simple lang po, kasi ganito talaga ang araw-araw ko. Hindi ko kayang ikahon ang sarili ko sa isang niche lang. Kasi hindi naman ganun ang buhay. Kung ano ang nakikita ko, kung ano ang nararamdaman ko at ginagawa ko, yun ang pinapakita ko. So, lifestyle, poetry, moments, reflections, halo-halo pero lahat totoo yan. Kaya kahit hindi niyo tinatanong, ito yung sagot ko. And about not showing my face sometimes, it is really just a personal choice po. So I like keeping some parts of my life private. Mas komportable ako na surroundings or moments and the little things tell the story for me. So if my content feels mixed, it is because my life is mixed. And I am sharing it the way it naturally happened. Yes po, so I create what feels real to me. And if you're here, salamat. Kung ayaw niyo po, okay lang din po, salamat din po. Kasi ibig sabihin, may nakaka-relate. At dumako naman po tayo sa identity. Why my niche is me? Okay, ito po yung kasagutan ko. Hindi ako isang niche lang. Tao po ako. May araw na nagluluto ako, may araw na nag-e-explore, may araw na nag-film ng animals, at may araw na nagsusulat ako ng tula. Yung mga salitang bigla na lang sumusulpot sa utak ko. And ang purpose nito ay ganito po. My purpose here is really just to share different parts of my everyday life. I am not the type who focuses on only one thing because my days don't look the same. So sometimes you see me cooking, organizing the house, or preparing things for my family. But if I show the same thing over and over, I know people might lose interest. Am I right? So that's why I switch things up. Sometimes I do art, sometimes I write my own poems, even if the content looks different, but everything still comes from my daily life. And just to let you know, cooking is one of my hobbies. Maybe it's the cancer in me because I'm a cancer sign. I naturally focus on family, on taking care of them, and making sure everything feels stable. And filming, like filming animals, is also something I enjoy. Whenever we go out for a walk or do a loop around the park, seeing animals genuinely makes me really happy. And organizing the home is always part of my routine. Yeah. And it really bothers me when things are out of place. So, keeping everything tidy gives me peace of mind. Kahit na nandoon pa ako sa May, Pilipinas, minsan, lumarating yung katamaran, hindi ko nalilinis pero ayaw ko talaga na sa buong linggo ay hindi lilinisin. So, keeping everything tidy, like I said, gives me peace of mind. Ano nga ba ang connection nito at bakit nagkakaroon ng sense yung mix ng niche of content ko? So, ganito po ito. Kaya po nagkakaroon ng sense yung halo-halo kong content is lahat yan parte ng buhay ko dito sa Canada. At kung sinusundan mo ako, Hindi dahil sa isang topic lang, kundi dahil na rin sa kwento ko. So, ang purpose nito ay it ties everything together. Like cooking, I already told you about this. Organizing, exploring Canada, filming animals, writing my own poems, and also by reminding the people here that all of these are simply parts of my real life. Yes po. So, it means I am not switching niches randomly. I am showing you different pieces of one whole story, and everything you see is connected because it's all part of my everyday life in Canada. Value. Sabihin natin yung value. What the audience get from mix of contents. Okay, ganito lang po ito. Gusto kong dalhin kayo sa mga lugar na nakikita ko, sa mga pagkain na niluluto ko, sa mga moments namin ng partner ko, at minsan sa mga salitang tumatama kahit hindi naman para sa inyo. Ano nga ba ang makukuha ng mga audience sa mixed content ko? If you are wondering what you actually get from my mixed content, it's simple. You get variety. Kasi hindi ko inuulit-ulit ang isang bagay hanggang magsawa ang manonood. You also get real moments from my everyday life like cooking, organizing, exploring parts of Canada, filming animals, or even sharing my poems. You get a comfort and relatability from the small routines to the quiet days and simple joys. So, you get a sense of calm. Kasi, I do not always show my face or even my family's face. And I like keeping some privacy and just letting the surroundings tell the story instead. And most of all, you get authenticity. Hindi lang niche ang sinusundan ninyo sa akin, kundi na rin yung real life behind camera, just the way it happens. At bakit ko po sinasamahan ng poetry? Okay, ito po yung dahilan. This is the unique twist. Why poetry fits? Kasi po, ang poetry hindi hihiwalay sa buhay natin. Reflection lang yan ng mga nangyayari sa paligid. At minsan, mas madaling sabihin sa tula ang hindi natin nasasabi sa totoong buhay. Yung ikabang sa pagsusulat na ipapakita mo yung lalim ng puso at isipan mo. Para siyang paraan para maiahon mo ang sarili mong emotion. Hindi para lang may maisulat, kundi para may kabuluhan ang bawat salita. At sa paggawa ko ng tula, hindi lang ako naglalabas ng nararamdaman, nagiging gabay din siya kahit papaano para sa mga taong nakakabasa o makakarinig nito. Kung may tumama sa kanila, sana maging reminder na lang, or comfort, or insight man lang. Kaya kasama ang poetry sa content ko kasi bahagi siya ng totoong buhay ko, or totoong buhay, at bahagi rin siya ng paraan para kumonekta sa iba. So, ganyan po ang nangyayari kung bakit meron akong kakaibang content. So, at the end of the day, I'm just sharing the pieces of my life the way they really happen. Some days are quiet, some days are busy, some days are creative, and some days are just simple moments that feel worth remembering. I know my content looks mixed, but that's because my life is mixed, and I like showing it honestly without forcing myself into one box. And I don't always show my face, not because I'm hiding, but because I enjoy keeping a little privacy. I want the surroundings, the moments, and the everyday details to speak for themselves. So if you've been watching, following along, or even just passing by, thank you. It means a lot that you choose to spend a few minutes of your day here with me. So this is my world. Thanks for being here.
Your sorrow or your shame, let that light back in again. flash that smile, let it stay. I wore grief like a second skin, built my walls so nothing could get in. But laughter slipped through when I wasn't aware, like a breeze catching loose strands of hair.